First off, cut the 4-zip ties to release the door from its packaging. This is the locked position of the door. Unlock the door by turning it counterclockwise. After adjustment, lock the door by turning it clockwise. With all the knobs unlocked, extend the safety door to its full width. Adjust the door to the perfect angle that suits your door frame. Place the 4 fixing heads into the 2 sections of the safety door, one on top and one on the bottom. Once you've positioned them correctly, mark the spots with a pencil for drilling. Drill holes at the marked spots, preparing for the expansion screws. Insert the expansion screws into the drilled holes, ensuring a firm grip. Tighten the screws to secure the fixing heads in place. With the fixing heads installed, slide the ends of the safety door into them. Finally, tighten all the knobs to lock the door in place at the desired angle.